which of the following graphs is narrower? Now, we are looking for a graph that is narrower. We're trying to compare which one's a little narrower than another. We don't want to be able to graph them within the original vertex because it will be very difficult to compare which one's narrower or wider. So we're just going to be using the slope to compare. Now remember, we don't care if it's positive or negative, because if one of them is facing up and the other one's facing down, it's going to be very challenging to compare. So in this case, you want to utilize a graph that's right next to this. So maybe, for example, one over to the left, such as number 9, or you want to be able to build your own graph. In this case, I'm going to be using a graph that's already done, and I'm going to compare. The first one I'm going to do in red. Remember, it's your rise over your run. So I'm going to go up 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and over 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to go over to the other side, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm looking for one that is narrower. So let's go and see if the next one is narrow. This is 5 over 3. So I'm going to go up 3 to the right 5. It's rise over run. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that one narrower? No. And that one's going to be wider. So I can go and cross out letter B. Let's try letter C. Up 5 to the right 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2. Is that one narrower? Yes. Now notice that's so much easier if you are able to use a graph that's already given to you, rather than having to build your own graph. So try to find a problem right next on the same page or on the next page that has a graph. And the next one is up 2 to the right 7, as you guys can tell. That one's going to be wider. So your answer is letter C.